My name is Tanner with Garmin Product Support. Today I'm going to provide you with some quick tips for installing a microSD card into your Tread or Zumo XT device. You may choose to install a memory card in your device when adding mapping for other regions, or if you need to expand your device's storage space at some point in the future. The Tread and Zumo XT can support a minimum of a 4GB microSD card and a maximum of a 256GB microSD card. Start by looking at the back of the device. You will see two sealed rubber doors. The bottom door contains the mini USB port. We are looking for the larger door at the top. Place your finger in the small space to the right of the larger door and pull the door open. Next, we will need to open the microSD card slot. Slide the small metal bracket to the right and lift up to expose the contacts for the microSD card slot. You will then gently lay the microSD card with the brass colored contacts facing down into the adapter, and gently push the microSD card into place. It is important to note the contacts must be completely covered by the memory card. No part of the brass colored contacts should be visible. The notch on the memory card should be aligned with the notch in the memory card slot. Push the metal bracket back down over the microSD card and slide the bracket to the left. This will secure the microSD card in its place, ensuring it is locked in. Finally, resecure the rubber door into place. And that's it. Thanks for watching. For more help, please visit support.garmin.com.